Burn a lemon and get rid of intense coughs for good. Get rid of those nasty, dry coughs once and for all. An old doctor taught me this home remedy. All you need is a whole lemon. Just that, and the things that don't allow you to sleep will go away. First, what are you going to do? You'll take the lemon, stick it on a knife or fork and bring it to the stove. Keep turning the lemon all over the stove. We'll do this so that all the juice and produce for this recipe comes out of the lemon. Lemon is often used for this type of situation, especially when it comes to gambling. This is because of its antiseptic, antioxidant and vitamin C properties. Once you've heated the lemon enough, take it off the heat and cut it in half. Be careful not to burn yourself. Once this is done, take a container like this one and squeeze out all the lemon. Lemon is super rich in vitamin C, an excellent source of this vitamin, which will greatly help strengthen the immune system, reduce the time and severity of colds and respiratory infections. Let's add a special ingredient to the mix that is often used to soothe colds and flu. What is this ingredient? Honey. Incredible for treating dry, intense bouts. I'm going to add just 2 teaspoons of honey and mix very well. Honey alone will not reduce phlegm. That's why the combination of honey and lemon is so good, as one complements the other. As well as soothing the throat, it helps with nasal congestion. It will stop that horrible runny nose for good. Best of all, it's natural. Its antiseptic properties and citric acid will help to break down mucus and phlegm, cleaning out all the airways and thus relieving coughs. If you do this, your airways will feel wonderful, relieving sore throats. This is great and super considerate for your child who is suffering from intense attacks and catarrh. It will help a lot. I bet you didn't know that lemon had all this potential, did you? But now you do. I'm sure that when you're feeling symptoms, you'll come running to see and make this little recipe. For adults, it's appropriate to take a syringe full of this, which is equal to 3 tablespoons. For a child, a syringe half that size, equal to 1 tablespoon. Take it at night and say goodbye to annoying things. Here, this little mixture with just 1 lemon gave me 3.5 syringes of this. That's a good yield for just 1 lemon. If you want a faster effect to stop the throwing, I recommend that you take at least 2 of these syringes a day, 1 in the morning and 1 in the evening. Give this old doctor's home remedy a thumbs up in the comments. This is better than any drugstore syrup. I have to be careful about revealing this to you all the time, otherwise some pharmacy owners might get mad at me for how effective this remedy is. If you're busy right now, save this tip for later. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time.